Imagine waking up, checking your dashboard, and seeing new leads flowing in, campaigns running on autopilot, and client reports being generated while you sip your morning coffee. This isn't a dream, it's the reality of running a digital marketing agency powered by AI. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a futuristic concept. It's a powerful tool that can help you streamline operations, improve efficiency, and maximize profits in your digital marketing business. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale, I can be your ultimate growth partner. In this video, we're going to break down exactly how I can help you build and run a profitable digital marketing agency. From automating tasks to enhancing client results, AI is reshaping the industry. Stay with me until then because we'll explore the best AI tools, strategies, and real-world examples of agencies using AI to dominate the market. Now, let's get started. Why AI is a game changer for digital marketing agencies. Running a digital marketing agency involves multiple moving parts: lead generation, content creation, social media management, ad optimization, client reporting, and more. Traditionally, these tasks required a team of specialists, but AI can now handle many of them faster, cheaper, and often with better results. AI-powered tools can automate repetitive tasks, saving hours of manual work, analyze vast amounts of data in seconds to optimize campaigns, personalize marketing at scale, improving customer engagement, generate high-quality content for blogs, ads, and social media, predict trends and customer behavior to enhance marketing strategies. Let's explore how AI can supercharge different aspects of your digital marketing agency. 1. AI for lead generation and client acquisition. Getting new clients is the lifeblood of any agency. AI can make lead generation and client acquisition more effective by chatbots and AI assistants. AI-driven chatbots like Drift or chat-powered assistants can qualify leads, answer queries, and book meetings for you 24/7. They engage with potential clients instantly, improving conversion rates. AI-powered email outreach. Tools like reply.io and smartwriter.ai use AI to craft personalized email sequences that increase open and response rates. Instead of spending hours writing outreach emails, AI does it for you. Predictive analytics for targeting. AI analyzes data from previous leads and clients to identify potential customers with high conversion probability. This allows you to focus on the right audience instead of wasting time on cold prospects. With AI, lead generation becomes a data-driven, automated process that continuously improves over time. 2. AI for content creation and copywriting. Content is the foundation of digital marketing, but writing high-quality copy consistently is time-consuming. AI tools like Jasper, Copy.ai, and WriteSonic can generate engaging content in minutes. 2. AI for content creation and copywriting. Content is the foundation of digital marketing, but writing high-quality copy consistently is time-consuming. AI tools like Jasper, Copy.ai, and WriteSonic can generate engaging content in minutes. AI-powered content creation can help with SEO-optimized blog posts. AI can research keywords, suggest headlines, and generate full blog posts optimized for search engines. This allows agencies to produce more content without hiring a large team of writers. Ad copy and sales funnels. AI tools can generate persuasive ad copy for Facebook, Google, and TikTok ads, helping increase conversion rates. They analyze high-performing ads and use that data to craft better copy. Social media posts. AI tools like Lately and freelancer.ai can analyze audience engagement patterns and create social media content tailored to your client's brand voice. Video scripts and AI-generated voiceovers. AI can create video scripts, and tools like 11 Labs or murf.ai generate realistic AI voiceovers for video marketing. This helps agencies scale video content production effortlessly. By leveraging AI, you can create content at scale while maintaining quality and consistency. 3. AI for social media management. Managing social media accounts for multiple clients can be overwhelming. AI-driven social media tools simplify the process by automating post scheduling. Tools like Buffer, Hootsuite, and Socialbee use AI to schedule posts at optimal times for maximum engagement. AI-generated content ideas. AI analyzes trending topics and audience behavior to suggest content ideas tailored to your niche. Smart hashtag and caption generation. AI tools can suggest relevant hashtags and captions to increase post reach and engagement. AI-powered social listening. Tools like Brandwatch and Sprout Social monitor brand mentions, competitor activity, and industry trends to help agencies craft effective social media strategies. With AI, social media management becomes a streamlined, data-driven process that delivers better results for your clients. Final thoughts. AI is not here to replace digital marketers, it's here to empower them. Agencies that embrace AI will operate more efficiently, deliver better results, and scale faster than those that don't. Imagine an agency where lead generation runs on autopilot, content creation is seamless, social media is optimized by AI, and ad campaigns adjust themselves in real time. That's the future of digital marketing, and it's already happening. If you want to build a profitable digital marketing agency, AI isn't an option, it's a necessity. The agencies that adopt AI now will be the industry leaders of tomorrow. So, are you ready to use AI to grow your agency? Start exploring AI tools today and take your business to the next level.